We looked last week at Sir Ken Robinson asking us, do schools kill creativity? And there's actually a really big revolution occurring in learning right now. And there's a lot of resources out there on the web for you to go to learn from. And so, this is really a revolution in education. It's online, on-demand video and personalization. And so it's an essential computer skill for you to be aware that you have a ton of resources at your disposal to help you learn anything you want to learn. So I'm just going to go through some of those resources really quickly so you're familiar with these different websites that are out there where you could go to learn all kinds of cool stuff. And a lot of them are from really talented, skilled people teaching great things. So Udacity is a website where you could go and take courses and sometimes even get college credit. And a lot of professors at really upstanding universities, Intro to Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence for Robotics, right? HTML5 game development, web development, how to build a startup, all of these different courses here which you could take at Udacity, plus more, a lot more. There's also Coursera, Coursera.org. Started from professors at Stanford, and again, a whole bunch of classes that you could take in here. High quality courses from some faculty professors at some of the best universities here in America. Then there's Khan Academy, where you could go in and you could start doing all kinds of things from algebra to a lot of K through 12 kind of topics in here, and then also maybe first and second year at college. But a great resource to know about. Khan Academy, absolutely worth checking out. There's edX, which again, different universities putting a bunch of courses online. So you could come in here and you could check out all of these different courses. And you see MOOC here, and MOOC stands for Massive Online Open Courses or something like that. And so you can check that out. There's Duolingo, where if you want to learn a language, Duolingo is a good website to go to learn that language. There is YouTube Education, where is another kind of interesting place where you could check out different things about learning. I haven't spent much time here, but just thought I'd include that resource. You could also search directly for different schools. So here's Harvard Extension School. I think maybe I talked about this already. It's looking familiar. And you could also go to Berkeley and see all of the lectures that Berkeley has online by semester. It's not going to be all of their classes, but it's certainly some of their classes. There's iTunes University, where you could come in. So if you have iTunes installed on your computer, you could check out different things on iTunes University. There's Udemy, where you might be right now, where you have found this course. There's openculture.com with free online courses and all kinds of different things. So another resource you could check out. New York University, UC Berkeley, right? Some of these links to iTunes, some to YouTube. So, you can really get an entire education right here in front of your computer from some of the best professors in the world. And the only thing you'll be missing are the tests, the one-on-one help, and, the diploma at the end. But if you know the material and you can prove it, then that's even more important than the diploma, ultimately. There's lynda.com with a Y, L-Y-N-D-A, lynda.com. Great place to get like technical help for learning how to use certain software, or they have a lot of interesting videos here. Great place to check out if you are wanting to learn, new skills, particularly related to technology. But they have all kinds of stuff. Photography, video, web, developer design, CAD, business, audio. So business, Creative Spark, social innovation designer, YouTube for musicians and bands, running a design business, creative briefs, setting up your mobile office to work from anywhere, right? So that kind of stuff. There's, if you're interested in becoming a computer coder, there is codeacademy.com, which is a good resource. There's code.org, which is another great resource. There is Pluralsight.com training, the world's leading software development experts, now available in the palm of your hand. So you can come to Pluralsight for developer training. And you have Code School here, learn by doing. So no accident that there's a lot of cool websites to teach coding, as people who know coding have created those websites. Finally, there's Evernote, which is a good place just to take notes. I think Google Docs is also a great place to do that. And there's also Google Evernote. Let's just see what comes up. Google has something which is competing with Evernote. Google Keep, that's what it's called, Google Keep. So Google Keep is kind of a new thing here where it interacts with your Drive, and it's a lot like Evernote for taking notes. So as you take all these classes, you could use Google Keep to keep all of the notes that you take in all of these different classes. So those are some learning resources which are available to you in this online educational revolution which is occurring. And you could really get whatever kind of education you want to get. You can learn about whatever you want to learn about pretty much right now by just knowing the right resources to go to online. And for me, that is an essential computer skill.